Hello and welcome back, children. This is Mr. Muzaffar presenting before you the sixth lesson of your Honeydew Reader. The name of the topic is Who I Am. My dear children, I have taught you yesterday one part of this lesson. Today I am going to teach you the second part of this lesson. Let me remind you the previous knowledge. My dear children, yesterday I taught you this lesson speaks about the diversity. As I have given the examples of your class, by language, by color, by hair, by intelligence. I discussed so many points with you yesterday, my dear children. Today, I will remind you again those points which I have discussed with you yesterday. That is, everyone has something special. Everyone among you is having something special. Everyone is unique in their quality, in their way. Everyone is unique. As I have discussed with you yesterday, someone is having a talent of art. Someone is having a good calligraphy. Someone is good singer. Someone is good cricketer. Someone is good sportsman. So many points I discussed with you yesterday. So there are six different people whose uniqueness has been shared in this lesson. Yesterday I have discussed with you. With you. I told you about Radha. She had a favorite activity of climbing, I told you, and she had a mango tree just outside his house, and she used it to climb up the mango tree. And she had a mother. She used it to deny her that don't climb up, don't climb up. One day, her mother climbed up. One day, her mother clambered up. One day, her mother clambered up, and they both start. And both of us sat there and talking and eating, raw mangoes. When she's telling that when I'm high up in the tree, I found like I'm running the whole world. The whole world is under my control. And second, I told you about Nasir. Nasir, when he grows up. When he grown up, okay, she want to become a good collector. She want to become a good seed collector. They have a good, they have a good fields. They have a good fields. They have a good cotton fields. But Mr. Nasir used to discuss with his parents why we are buying seeds from the market, why we are spending money everywhere buying seeds from the market. Even Mr. Nasir discussed the same with his father, with his grandfather, and grandfather shared his experience with him and told him that previously we used to collect seeds from these cotton plants. After that, this does not work. This does not work, and so we gave up that. And we start getting bringing seeds from the market. And this Mr. Nasir, he started the same, and he started collecting seeds. He started collecting seeds from cotton plants, and then he collected large number of cotton seeds. And then he thought that in next year we need not to go to the market. We need not to spend money for bringing this seeds from the market. So what he did, he started collecting seeds from cotton plants, and then he put it in his home, and then he did not spend money again. So, my dear children, Rohit, third one was Rohit. Who was Rohit? He was fond of traveling. Rohit was fond of traveling. He was an adventurous. Okay, but unfortunately, he had little money. That did not allow him to go to the different places of the world. If his pocket allowed him, he would have visited the whole world. His love was mountains of New Zealand and Amazon in South America. He loved mountains of New Zealand, and he loved the Amazon in South America, beaches of Lakshadweep, and the Konark Temple in Orissa were also on his included on his wish list. That was on his wish list, that he had a wish to go to the different parts of the world, as I have discussed with you. Mountains of New Zealand, Amazon and Amazon in South America, and I told you beach of Lakshadweep and the Konark Temple in Orissa. He has included these things in his list, my dear children. His choice also included city of Beijing in China. He had a wish to visit to Beijing, but unfortunately he had little money. He could not do all this. His pocket did not allow him to go to the different place of the world, my dear children. And the pyramids of Egypt. He was a nature lover. He was a climber. He was a good trekker. But unfortunately, he had a little money. Now, let me tell you about the Sarbijit. Sarbijit was the fourth individual whose uniqueness has shared in this lesson. Who I am. Sarbijit, he was full of anger. He used to fight on petty things. My dear children. People around him often showed him distrust. Even when he spoke the truth. Because he was not able to control his anger. This is the reason he was not able to explain his position. When he used to talk to other people, he was talking in an angry way. They did not care to listen him. This is the reason, my dear children. People around him did not trust on him. Why? Because he was angry. He was full of anger. My dear children. He was often blamed for starting quarrel. Whenever there was a fight between two people, it is being clearly guessed by the people around him that it is Sarbijit who has started the quarrel, because he was full of anger. He was not able to explain himself properly before people. People called him frustrated. Even as I have told you, even if he speak truth, people did not trust on him. My dear children. He was trying to control his anger, but he could not. He was trying to control his anger, but my dear children, he could not control his anger. Thank you and have a good day. My dear children, if you have any problem, please contact me individually or text me, or you can arrange a conference call. Thank you and have a good day.